Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SugarCRM email inbound processor, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the SugarCRM email inbound processor, begin by logging into your SugarCRM instance. Navigate to the admin panel from the main menu. Scroll down to the section labeled Email Settings. Locate the Inbound Email section. Click on the Inbound Email link to access the settings. Identify the email account configured for the inbound processor. Select the specific email account you wish to uninstall. Once selected, look for the Delete option, usually located at the bottom of the page. Confirm the deletion when prompted to ensure the account is removed. Next, go back to the admin panel and search for Schedulers. Click on Schedulers to view the current scheduled jobs. Identify the job associated with the email inbound processor. Select the scheduled job and click on the Delete button. Confirm the deletion of the scheduled job. After deleting the job, navigate to your hosting environment. Access the SugarCRM file directory where it is installed. Open the custom directory within your SugarCRM installation. Locate the modules folder and then find the email subfolder. Delete any custom files related to the email inbound processor if applicable. Lastly, clear the cache to ensure all changes take effect. You can do this by navigating to the admin section and selecting Repair. Choose Quick Repair and Rebuild to finalize the uninstallation. Once completed, the email inbound processor will be fully removed from your SugarCRM instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.